the upholds, we talked about our levels and forward backs to tell our direction, and then also our body and hips coming up to lift you. So just watching it from the follow perspective behind our upholds, we're trying to collect our foot, and then when we move into the down holds, we're trying to push through and then lift. And it showed you that the lifts on 1 and 2 and 7 and 8 for each movement were the same on the opposite. So it was a real mind-bending class. It was great.
That's pretty much all we did actually, but it was really good because it was talking about the difference between leading the ups and the downs or not. Because you can choose not to, so that you can do all your variations that will teach you later. But it's also nice to have the option to lead it, so that if you want to go into anything, you know what foot she's on, you know what she's doing, she knows what you're doing.
Yeah, the reason we also wanted to mix them up is because most of our Balboa movements are upholds and downholds mixed together on different counts. So now you can just break it all up and mash it up and do it like. Cool class.
See you